Daylight saving time has ended, which means one thing: an extra hour of sleep. But wait, adjusting to the time change can be a bit tricky, right? Don't worry, we've got you covered with some top tips to adjust smoothly and make the most of that extra hour. First up, ease into the time change by setting your bedtime back by about 15 minutes each night. This gradual shift helps your body adapt so you don't wake up feeling jet-lagged. Next, embrace the morning sunshine. Exposure to natural light in the morning helps reset your internal clock, giving you an energy boost and helping you adjust to the new time. Resist that late afternoon coffee and those heavy dinners. Stimulants and big meals can keep you up, so stick to lighter fare and cut caffeine a few hours before bed. Use that extra hour for something beneficial: exercise, family time, or even reviewing your insurance policies to make sure they're up to date. Staying proactive means fewer surprises and more savings in the long run. And remember, Klinger Insurance Group is here to support you through all of life's changes, big and small. For the best coverage, reach out to us for your insurance shopping needs. We're here to make sure you're protected no matter the season. Happy adjusting!